Hey guys. Okay, so I just bought a 2002 Raptor 660. Tried to fire it up, and the gear, well, actually, the starter just spins freely. Sometimes it catches and then pops. So, what I've been reading is it seems like it's likely the one way bearing getting old or worn out. So, I decided to pull this thing apart today, and I find a nice surprise. So, magneto, everything seems to be good condition there. The one way. Okay, so when I took this apart, every single Allen bolt was loose. Like, I could wobble it by hand. I figured that's not a good thing. But how can you actually tell if the bearing is worn out or not? Like, there's a couple marks on it from me using that pulley, but is there a way to tell if the bearing is no good? So here's what caused everything right here. The sweet starter gear. So check this out. Notice the heat marks. Sorry, this is on an iPhone cam. Well, here's the best part, guys. Check this out. Oh, I can't get a good view. How in the heck does that happen? Everything else seems to be okay, other than the gear between them both. It's a bit chewed on some of the teeth too. I don't see it being a huge problem. My question is, for the most part, how does this gear get bent like that? I don't know if it was just because it was loose. And also, how can you tell if this bearing is no good? Sorry. Alright guys. Any info would help me out a ton. I'm just going to order the one-way bearing kit that comes with the starter gear and the one-way, and hope it fixes the problem, which I'm sure it will. The timing chain was good, wasn't marked up. The guide had a couple marks in it, but other than that, it seems to be good. Thanks.